madness.
Hello guys, welcome to Tuhin Editing, and today I'm going to show you how you can add texture in Adobe Illustrator. So I'm going to use this simple vector design and apply texture on it. So to do that, make sure first you have all the layers as a group. So I'm going to lock this background and select all this. Just go to object, group. I have already made it a group, so the group option is grayed out, but for you there will be option to group all the layers, or you can just press Ctrl G to group them. And after that, go to the transparency tab, this one, and if you don't see this tab here, go to window and make sure the transparency is clicked on, or you can press Shift Ctrl and F10 shortcut to make the transparency tab visible. So after going to the transparency tab, make sure you press the make mask, click on it, and then click on this dark black background. I have already downloaded a texture. You can find your texture very easily. Just go to the Google and make sure you download something free. So after that, just drag the texture into Illustrator and place on it. Right now it's smaller than the design, so I'm going to increase the texture size. Now you can just adjust as you want. So if you click on the design, you will see there are certain parts that are erased. So the texture works in a way, the white part, they become the white part, and the black part, they become the negative part of the design. So this is how you can apply texture in Adobe Illustrator. Thanks for watching the video. See you in the next one.